Happy birthday!
I said.
Check.
No, Gracie, do herself. I want to be almost it.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, that's what it's for.
Of course it was. I'm making cake.
Whose cake?
Me. Mommy.
Mommy's cake.
Yeah, you're a chef. You're making cake for what?
Mom. Mace. I dirty.
You're stirring eggs.
Alright, pour that into this bowl.
A cake. I.
Together.
Guess I
Okay.
Look. And mix it up.
What are you doing now?
We make dirty. Water.
So you need cake batter, eggs, and water.
Ew.
Tell them. Tell them.
I know me.
Yeah, wait. Good job, Louis. Yeah, good job. You just really.
Go back there. What else? What else do you have to do?
Hey, can you take this? Can you take this? Yeah, here, see first.
You're done now?
Okay, that's not.
Yeah! Eh. Look, see? Mommy, look.
Yeah, Jack. You do his first.
Okay.
Yep. Climb over. It's fine.
Oh, you got this one.
Oh, Jules does. Jack does his. Jules is Jack's turn.
Come up here.
Jack.
I put Elvis! Big everything. Give me away. 25 minutes. Give me away that. I'm Rashi. Ooh.
Whoop. Okay. It's
Don't touch it?
Do you think you should touch it?
No. No hand. Good.
Smells good.
Ha 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 ha. No touch it. No touch it. I'll make you hot.
Ask the camera.
I'm dancing. Go really low. No.
No one shows. No one.
No. No, that would be birthday.
You're eating all the cake?
No, say, ew, mommy, birthday.
No more, Josie. No more.
Jules, here it
Maybe I can do that one. Okay.
is. Daddy put some? Spread it out.
No, no, no. Well, give me my cake.
He ate it.
Only the birthday girl cuts it first.
Okay, this is for the cake. Nice. Because it's. Okay, that's it.
Okay.
Let me touch it.
Say, okay, wait.
Birthday to you. Birthday to you. Birthday to you.
To who?
Mommy. Birthday to you. No, mommy birthday.
Come on,
Ready?
Okay. Yay.